guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you all can see by the title of this video, I am going to be showing you a tour of my stockpile closet. Now in my apartment, we live in an apartment for now because we are currently looking for a starter home, but for now in our apartment I have two spaces that I store my stockpile. I store some of my stuff in here, and then I also have a space in our office. I have 3 shelves in there where I store some things, and then the majority of my stuff is in our storage. But because I do sell household bundles every month, I have to have some stuff that's easily accessible for me to just grab when I'm putting a bundle together. So I'm just only going to be showing you guys the closet space. I'm not going to show the office space, at least not today. I'll probably do a separate video on that, but just for today I'm going to show you guys this closet space, what all I have, how I like to stack all of my stuff. So before I get into this video though, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. I just reached 6,000 subscribers, you guys. Yay! I'm so happy. So thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel, those of you who comment on my videos, because I truly do appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for that. I will have a giveaway coming soon, so be ready for that. Make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell on. So let me stop talking and we're gonna go ahead and get into this video, you guys. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start on this side over here. So what I have over here is I have my Scott Comfort Plus tissue, I have some Charmin tissue, and then I have 2 boxes of Kleenex. I have these 2 boxes of Kleenex, and I try to keep about 1 to 2 boxes because I do have a customer that comes to me very often and she asks for Kleenex, so I try to keep minimum at least 2 boxes. Now normally right here I would have my Tide Pods or any type of pods. I would usually have them here, but I noticed that I was accumulating a lot of Scott tissue, which is good, and I wanted to have another space for that, so I decided to move my pods down and I went ahead and I put started some more Scott Comfort Plus tissue. So both of this right here is going to be just for my tissue and my Kleenex. So as you guys can see, I am completely stocked on Scott, and this is the tissue that I mainly use when I sell my bundles, and then I also use the Scott paper towels. So I am completely stocked on that. And then when you look right here, here is where I have my pods. So I have my pods, so I have some Tide Simply over there. I have 2 of the Let Me Shine dish detergent things. I don't use these guys because I don't use the dishwasher. Like, I love to wash my dishes by hand, so I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying that I won't ever use a dishwasher, but for right now I just love to wash my dishes by hand. So I have 2 packs of those that I got for free. I have 2 of the all free and clear Mighty packs, and then I have 2 packages of Tide Pods. And then down here I also have some Tide Pods along with some Arm & Hammer packs. So that is what is on this shelf. And then like I said, down here I have Tide Pods, and then I have 3 Arm & Hammer packs. And then I don't know if you can really see up under there, but I do have some Gain, some Tide, and then I have some more Gain behind there. And then I already showed you guys the toilet paper up there. And then right here, you guys, I have been getting stocked up a lot on the bigger bottles of Tide, the 92 ounce. I have quite a few of these right now, so I went ahead. So right on this shelf I have 5 bottles, and then I have 3 bottles of the smaller things of Tide. And then right here, this is also filled with the bigger bottles of Tide, and I have 2 smaller bottles. And then on the last shelf, I don't know if you can really see, but I have some Persil back there, some more Tide. I have some Arm & Hammer, and I think behind that is some more, another row of Arm & Hammer. I have some Tide Simply, and then just regular Tide. And then right here, you guys, I have 1 package, no, actually I have 2 packages of Bounty Essential paper towels. Now I was completely stocked up on this, but I had a customer come through and they bought like 6 packages of the Bounty paper towels from me. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry, my house phone had wrong. So yeah, I have 2 packages of the Bounty paper towels, and then I have this package of cotton nail tissue, and then I have this package of Scott because I couldn't fit any more up there. As you can see, we're at the top up there with the Scott paper towels. So I have like what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have a total of 7 things of Scott paper towels. I have some Viva paper towels that I got from Rite Aid, and then right here I just have 2 packages of the Huggies diaper, the size 4 and size 3. And then I have 2 of these Persil Pro Clean discs. I actually have some of these listed on Facebook Marketplace because I do have about 5 of these that I'm trying to get rid of. And then I have some wipes right here. I was able to get these from Walgreens just recently for free. And then I have a box of wipes down here. And then up here I just have some Snuggle fabric softener. And then on this shelf right here I have toothpaste and my mouthwash. So I have this here because it's just easier for me to grab. I do have some toothpaste and mouthwash in a container, but it's just easier for me to have just like a small stash right here because I do give away free toothpaste and a mouthwash whenever customers purchase, whenever they purchase bundles from me. I do give away 2 tubes of toothpaste, and then I give away 1 mouthwash for free. So it's just easier for me to just grab and put in my bag when I'm bagging everything up. So that's what I have on this shelf. And then right here is my beautiful shelf of more Tide. And then on this shelf right here I have some more Tide. I have some Arm & Hammer back there, some Gain. And then on this shelf I have some Ajax laundry detergent, and this is the detergent that we get at Walgreens for just 99 cents. And then I have behind there I have a row of Arm & Hammer detergent. My brother does use Arm & Hammer detergent, so I do have a lot of that on hand, so whenever he wants to purchase a bundle from me. And then down here I have some Kaboom, and I just recently got this Kaboom right here for completely free using the SWAGBUCKS and the, I want to say, Inbox Dollars app. I got 4 of those for completely free. And then right here I have about 3 bottles of Snuggle fabric softener, another Snuggle, and then I have an all laundry detergent back there, and that's the bigger bottle. And then you guys, right here I have about what, maybe 6 to 8, no, I have what, 2 4 6 8 10 12. I have about 12 containers of the 42 count Tide Pods. I have a super large container of Gain fabric softener back there, and then I have another one of these Snuggle fabric softeners. And then right here, this is where I keep all of my soft soap, my hand sanitizer. So I have soft soap right here. I just recently, like you guys, my soft soap leaves extremely quick because I also put those inside of my bundles. Every time that I post my bundles, I'm always putting soft soap in there, so I really do need to get stocked back up on that. And then I have a larger bottle of soft soap right here. This is some hand wash that I got from Walmart for like 50 cents. And then right here I do have 2 bottles of Dove sanitizer. I have 4 bottles of more sanitizer that I was able to get for 50 cents, and I had nowhere else to put these, you guys. These are the Trojan condoms, the Ultra Fit. I have a total of 6 back there. I had nowhere else to put these, so I just decided to just store them right here. I got all of these free using the SWAGBUCKS, Inbox Dollars, and the My Points app, so completely free. And right here I also got this OxyClean for free. I got both of those, and I used the SWAGBUCKS app, Checkout 51 and SHOPKICK, and I was able to get both of these completely free. And that's the OxyClean Laundry and Home Sanitizer. And then next up here, you guys, this is where I keep some of my dish soap. So right here I just recently ordered some more of these thank you bags, you guys, and these are the bags that I use when I put my bundles together, because I used to put them in Walmart bags, but I was like, you know, I really don't want to put them in Walmart bags because I meet people at Walmart, so I didn't want them to think that I just went in the store and I purchased this. So I went on Amazon. If y'all are interested in them, I will have a link in the description box below so that y'all can get these. This is I want to say a 300 count. Yes, I think it's a 300 count, you guys. I forgot what the price is. I just recently ordered them. I completely forgot how much I paid, but I will have a link in the description box for you. So I have some Dawn Platinum Power Wash Dish Spray. You guys, I did not think that I would like this as much, but this right here is actually my favorite. So I am waiting on Walgreens to come around with the deal when you buy 3 get a $6 registry reward. I'm going to try to work that deal to where I can get at least 3 more of these, because I really do like that. And then I have some more Dawn dish soaps. I got these Palmolive that I just recently did a Walmart video on. I got those for a cheap price. Some more Palmolive Dawn. And then this is my, again, emergency dish soap. This is the Palmolive. Y'all are going to always see this in my video unless there is an emergency to where I am completely out of dish soap. Then I will crack that bad boy open. And then here is my beautiful shelf of the larger bottles of Dawn. I absolutely love Dawn dish soap, so I am still collecting these too. So whenever Walgreens have the deal, buy 3 get a $6 registry reward, I'm just going to mix and match between the Dawn 40-ounce bottles and then the Dawn Power Wash. And then up here, you guys, I just have some Mr. Clean. I have some Mean Green back there, Lime Away. I have some carpet cleaner. Behind this, I have some Fabuloso, some Lysol behind that. I have this windshield de-icer. This isn't something that I got couponed. This is just where I keep for easy access whenever the winter time comes and I need to put this on my car. And then I got this tar and soap. Again, I didn't get that with couponing either. One day I drove into some tar I didn't know, so I had to get that. And then behind that I have some Folex carpet cleaner. And then I have this empty bottle of Snuggle. This is empty. This is where I pour a little mixture that I make up whenever I'm going to shampoo my carpet. And then I do have 2 things of bleach right here, you guys. So that's everything that I have stored on my shelves. And so now I have about 2 containers that I keep in here. I'm just going to open those up really quick and just show you guys what I have in there. So give me 1 second. Okay guys, so here is my Renews It container. It is so beautiful, so colorful. I love it. But here's my Renews It container. These are all of the Renews It air fresheners that I have, and I do put these, I put 2 of these into a bundle. Every time I post a bundle, I have 2 of these, so I must stay stocked up on these. I am still completely stocked right now, but whenever a Renews It deal come around, I do try to stock up as much as possible. So that is what I have in this container. So here's my other container right here. So as you can see, I have some razors in here. I have this spin brush toothbrush. I have some toothbrushes in here, some floss picks. I have a ton of those. I have these California little scents to put in my car, and I got these for either free or for super cheap on SWAGBUCKS. I can't remember. I have some deodorant, some Glade warmers, just a lot of different stuff, like I said, deodorant. So I just have different things in here, you guys. And I also use this container, so like if I want to switch it up sometimes, and if I have like a ton of razors, I'll probably switch it up from the toothpaste, and I'll probably throw in a package of razors or something like that. And if I have some deodorant that my husband doesn't use or is not really, you know, doesn't too much care for, I will probably add a deodorant or something inside of my bundles as well. So yeah, you guys, so that's pretty much it, you all. I hope you all enjoyed this video. So right now I'm just going to give you guys just a view. Okay, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section if you guys like take care of your stockpile. Like, do you just like, whenever you coupon, do you just like throw everything in, or do you actually take out the time or take a day and actually organize your stuff? Like I said, I do not like a junky, overcrowded stockpile, so I'm always up in here, y'all. I'm always up in here very often, making sure that everything is nice and neat. So again, that is going to be it. Don't forget to give me some thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.